Hey Legacy family, Judy Nealt here, your marketing director with a word of the week. Today's word is ask. Ask for business, ask for referrals, and ask for testimonials. Number 1, take a risk and ask for the business. When you're out there prospecting, ask, who do you know who's likely to move? Use your script skills to ask for the business. Number 2, ask for referrals. There's a great statement. It goes, the highest compliment I can receive is a referral of your family, friends, and colleagues. Thank you for your trust. Use this statement in your marketing to encourage referral and repeat business. Number 3, ask for testimonials. We make it easy in Legacy Real Estate's smart CRM BoldTrail with letters, emails, and text messages that make it easy to ask for the testimonial. And those reviews will show up on your Legacy Agent website. With just a couple of clicks, they appear for all to see. Check it out. Let's show you the end result first. On your homepage of your Legacy Agent website, scroll down and your testimonials will be showcased on the homepage. The last 5 will typically show up, but you can scroll through and click the link to view all of your testimonials. Also found under the About section, which you can retitle your testimonials page. This is what your testimonial page looks like. Notice that you can drive traffic to this page and somebody can enter the testimonial right on your website. And what you're looking for is all kinds of positive feedback that's easy to just scroll through. In BoldTrail, under the Web and IDX, this is where you manage your website. Click on the Manager tab, go to Testimonials under Website Content, and click View and Edit. In this section, to add a testimonial, click the Add Testimonial button. Enter the name and the testimonial and click Add. Once you add it, you'll want to select the star ranking and make sure that the testimonial is toggled to on so that the testimonial shows up on your website. If somebody goes to your website and adds their own testimonial, it will show up at the bottom of the list. Be sure to toggle it on so that those testimonials also show up on your website. If this is the first time you are adding testimonials to your website, it may take up to a day for those testimonials page to load and be present. If you have testimonials on Zillow, you can add your Zillow email or screen name, and all of your Zillow reviews will also show up on your Legacy Agent website. And it's easy to ask for testimonials. Click the top search bar, click Send Email, and in the keyword box, enter the word Testimonials and select Ask for Testimonials Template. For more information about this or other Legacy tools, click the Learning Portal link or visit legacylearncenter.com.